So in this video, we are going to speak about composite functions. So the way of visualizing a composite function is, think about this. Look at this diagrammatic representation here. Let's see, we have some function. Let's call this f of x. Now let's see. We put another function inside of f of x. Let's call this by convention g of x. So a literal way to think of composite functions is a function within another function, as shown here, where the g of x is within the function f of x. So the best way to introduce this is by example. So let's say f of x is equals to 3x minus 5, and g of x is equals to x squared plus 1. So there are a few symbols or ways of representing composite functions. So the first one is f g of x. Equivalent is f g. Next equivalent is f g. Now all of these means the same thing. What it's really trying to tell you is wherever in my function f, wherever I see x, I put g of x into my function f. Let's see this in action. So starting with the function f, so 3, look, I see x, so I'm going to put g of x, which was x squared plus 1 and minus 5. So simplifying this a bit, we would get 3x squared plus 3 minus 5, which is 3x squared. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. And this is the composite function f g of x, or f g, or f g. Similarly, we can do g f of x. So wherever in the function g where we see x, we put the function f. So starting with the function g, immediately we see a x. So we put 3x minus 5 all squared plus 1. Now the expansion for this, I'm going to write the expansion for a plus b all squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and a minus b all squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now using this algebraic property here of a minus b, where my a is 3x and my minus b is minus 5, I'm going to expand 3x minus 5 all squared. So 3x all squared is 9x squared minus 3x by minus 5 is minus 15 by 2 is minus 30. Let me just check this over. Minus 2 by a, which is 3x, is 2 by 3x is minus 6x by minus 5 minus 2dx minus 2ab minus 6x Let me just verify this expansion by hand here. 3x minus 5 by 3x minus 5. 3 by 3 is 9x squared minus 5 by 3x is minus 15x minus 15x. Oh, minus 15x again and positive 25. So yeah, it was correct. So plus 25 plus 1. So the composite function gf is just simply 9x squared minus 30x plus 20 plus 26 plus 26. Done. So these can be given in many different ways, not just denoted by G and F, but the principle is the same. So basically, the inner function telling you wherever x is in the outer function, you substitute the inner function. And we'll put this in words. So wherever you see x in the outer function, you substitute the inner function.